We can earn money while we sleep. We can earn money while we're on vacation, at the ball field, whatever. We can earn money from just working 2 hours a day online with a daily passive income that generates 100% profit for you. I'll tell you how to do it, and I'll tell you how to find out more. But first, I'll tell you, I'm a mom who's worked a lot of years. I struggled with always having to be gone because I had to go to my job, working long hours, working overtime, missing out on a lot of stuff. And I can't get that time back, but my kids are going to be off to college in a couple years, and I wanted to change that for my family. I'd had enough. So I said, hey, it's going to stop. 2025 is going to be my year, my family's year. So I found this program that is so easy. I'm not tech savvy. I don't have a degree. I was scared, but when I got in the program, it's so easy because everything is done for you, and they teach you step by step how to put it together. You got to get your domain. You got to get your business PayPal and all that, but they teach you how to do it step by step. You can literally earn from day one. Once your website's up and running, boom, you're good. So now, if you want to know more, the first step to changing this for your family is step one is going to be putting ready in the comments, and I will put the website there. You go to the website, put in your email, and I will send you information. It's a lot of information. It's too much to cover in a video, but I will put the information there. You can see everything about the program. You can learn more about it, and decide if it's something that's right for you and your family. And step two, if it's right for your family, make a decision. If it's right for y'all, figure out what level you want to go into. I went all in because I wanted to make more, but it's entirely up to you. So step two would be just to decide and do. You do it, you get in it, you're good. Step three is going to be show up every day, because it's not a get rich quick. It doesn't just, automatically generate income because you signed up. It doesn't go that way. You do have to put in a little bit of effort, but it's really easy. And in 2 hours a day, you can do all your promoting and all your videos and everything, and let the website work for you. So just do it. Step four is going to be to build your social media platforms and learn how to get your content better and make it better and put it out there more. Just do it. Learn how to get your message out there and figure out how you want to help others and put it out there. Step five is to have fun. Just have fun. Don't worry about being popular. Don't worry about being perfect. Just do it. Just have fun and put the fear aside and just know that, hey, you are enough and you can help others. I want to help other families. I want everyone to know that there is a better way than going to work all the time and still worrying about paying bills because, you're working your life away, but then you have nothing left when the bills come, when the paycheck hits the bank, it's gone. Well, there is a better way, and there's an easier way, and I want to help other families know, because I sit back and I look and I see where I've been and I see how hard it was and I see my friends, and I want everyone to win. So I really want to share this with people and let them know, hey, there is another way, a better way, and it's easy. So if you're interested in knowing more, put ready in the comments and let's get you started learning more. Just because you go to the website and put your email in, you're not, you're just looking for information and I'm giving it to you. And it's simple. You can make a decision and it's the easiest thing you'll ever do. So I encourage you to put ready in the comments and, hey, let's take back control.